Thousands of asylum seekers have gathered here outside the gates of Reynosa's largest migrant shelter, Sena de Vida, and they all have the same question: how to use the U.S. government's CBP-1 application. This is Girling Joseph on a big stage. Her audience, a sea of asylum seekers listening, seeking guidance on how best to proceed legally to enter the United States. The Haitian national is a leading human rights advocate who focuses on black immigrants from the Caribbean and Africa. A big chunk of her work is on the large Haitian asylum seeker population just south of the Texas border in Mexico.
So we're all together, right? We're all together. So we're fighting for everyone.
Joseph traveled from Los Angeles, California to Reynosa, Mexico to break down President Biden's new immigration policies and to answer questions on the U.S. Custom and Border Protection software, CBP-1. The CBP-1 app allows people from 4 countries, Haiti, Cuba, Nicaragua, and Venezuela, to apply online to enter the U.S.
All right, I'll go and then I'll come back, okay? Okay. All right, thank you.
Asylum seekers were quick to find problems using that app. Haitian's native language is Creole. That's a mix of French, African, English, and other languages. CBP-1 is only in English and Spanish.
He was sharing that he's having issues with the app.
Artificial intelligence facial recognition used by CBP-1 is having issues identifying black Haitians.
When it comes for people of color, especially black people, the facial technology simply doesn't work.
Then some asylum seekers here on the Mexican border near Texas are getting port of entry appointments in border cities as far as 1,500 miles away in Tijuana.
Porque salen las diferentes fronteras, pero no hay fecha.
And there are those who toughed out squalid migrant camp conditions and worked the complicated immigration application process, who today are crossing port of entry bridges with permission to seek a better life in America.
As hard as it is, it's always good to see the smiles in people's faces, because sometimes this means life or death.